Hello photography fans, and welcome back to another LensVid review. Today we're taking a look at a new innovative Smallrig follow focus. Let's see what it can do. Smallrig's innovative designs have taken their products from simple grip solutions to rig add-ons that you just can't live without. Today we're taking a look at a mechanical follow focus that shows off Smallrig's innovative spirit. We've worked with a number of mechanical and wireless follow focus units, both by Smallrig and others, and while they all do the job, there's always limitations. This new Smallrig follow focus brings in innovations where it's pretty hard to surprise the market with any additional features. Smallrig F60 is a compact mechanical follow focus that stands out by improving ergonomics, including a quick release direction switch and adding tension control. The most surprising addition to this unit is a silicone ring that enables controlling lenses without a gear ring. Smallrig ships this unit in a soft pouch that includes the follow focus itself, a rail with a small mount and extension, a grip, a gear ring and a friction ring, and a set of tools and screws. The unit is lightweight even though all the moving parts and the rail clamp are made of metal. The bottom cover and the marking plate are made of plastic. The hard plastic hand wheel comes in a grooved wood finish. Kind of a dubious choice next to the previous design, but it's a matter of personal preference. The F60 now comes with a quick release direction switch. It's a small metal tumbler that flips to release the mechanism, which allows you to rotate the wheel to the other side. The new grip can be added optionally, but it's a great idea to have it on since it helps to support the camera and also allows for a more precise wheel control. The minimalist design is great, but it's a bit short, and Smallrig should think about offering other designs for larger hands. The rail mount is the same design that Smallrig included in the Magic Fizz follow focus. It provides a solid grip and it now comes with an extension to accommodate different setups. All these innovations would be pretty pointless if the unit didn't provide smooth movement. That is usually the main limitation for these systems, and the detachable gear ring sometimes gets in the way. For photo lenses that don't come with grooved rings, the F60 comes with a friction ring. It's a detachable silicone ring that sits over the grooves and provides smooth turning. We tried it with a number of different size lenses and it worked seamlessly. We actually placed the ring on Smallrig's previous follow focus and it was a perfect fit. We would love to see Smallrig's solution of a friction wheel for their wireless follow focus. In conclusion, the F60 is a great addition to our kit. It's well made and it offers add-ons that set it apart from other similar units. Mainly, it's more versatile and can provide smooth focus racking on a wider range of lenses with its friction wheel and grip. As for pricing, the F60 follow focus sells for $160, and if you already own Smallrig's previous mechanical follow focus, you can pick up the friction wheel for just $12. And that is it for our look at the Smallrig F60 follow focus. Go check out the full review on our website at lensvid.com. Subscribe to this channel and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.